Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have the Nokia X5, which we will unbox right now. So, let's do this. On opening the box, we are greeted by the phone itself. Next we have SIM ejector tool and some documents. Here we have the power brick and USB Type-C cable. Now let's see the phone. On the top of the phone, we have 3.5mm audio jack and secondary microphone. On the right we have the volume rocker keys and power button. On the left we have SIM ejector tool. At the bottom we have the Type-C port, primary microphone, and the speaker grill. Now let's boot up the device. The Nokia X5 that has arrived in light black, Baltic Sea blue and glacier white color variants. It features double-sided 2D glass with a metallic frame in between. The rounded body design of the phone promotes comfortable grip. The handset measures 149.51 by 71.98 by 8.096 millimeters, and it weighs 160 grams. The handset is fitted with a 5.86-inch screen that produces 19:9 aspect ratio and HD plus resolution of 1520 x 720 pixels. The notched display offers a screen-to-body ratio of 84%. There is an eye protection mode that helps in reducing eye strain by filtering out the blue light emitted by the screen. The Nokia X5 features MediaTek Helio P60 SoC that promises high performance by consuming low power. It improves gaming performance by 70% and is also equipped with AI-based power-saving technology. It comes with an independent AI unit for handling AI tasks on the Nokia X5. The 32GB and 64GB storage respectively features 3GB and 4GB of RAM. There is a microSD card slot for additional storage. The handset includes a 3060 mAh battery. The back panel of the Nokia X5 features f/2.0 aperture 13MP plus 5MP dual camera setup that comes with features like dual tone LED flash, HDR mode, PDAF, high sensitivity depth of field lens, AI-driven professional portrait photography mode and more. It is packed with a selfie camera of 8MP with f/2.0 aperture that offers features like AI beauty, AI stickers, AI background blurring effect and dual view shooting mode that allow users to use the front and rear cameras at the same time. The front camera can be also used as face unlock feature. The rear panel of the smartphone is fitted with a fingerprint reader. The Nokia X5 is loaded with Pure Edition of Android 8.1 Oreo. The company has also confirmed that the X5 will be treated with Android 9.0 in future. The smartphone will be also provided with monthly security updates. 3000 mAh battery is provided to power the handset. The other features of the phone include USB-C, 3.5mm audio jack, dual SIM support, Cat4 LTE modem, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS and GLONASS. The Nokia X5 has arrived in China with a starting price of 999 yuan, which converts to $149. The smartphone is now available for reservations on Chinese retailer sites like Suning, Jingdong, Tmall as well as Nokia mobile app store.